Do you want to know what some of the awkward conversations that I have when I have to sit down with homeowners? Well, oftentimes what they want to know is how fast my home is going to sell. And everybody wants to know, or everybody has some input where the house across the street sold in 4 days, or the house on the other side of the street sold in 2 weeks. The other neighbor down the road sold in 20 days. Why is it going to take so long for my house to sell? Well, I'd rather let you know and be honest up front and tell you that it's going to take about 30 to 45 days. That's the average right now. And their response is, wait, but why? Well, some houses are harder to sell than others because of things that are completely out of your control. Like, for example, if you have a super steep driveway, right? Maybe you have a car that's not as high and you can't go into the garage, level. Or another thing, if you live in front of like a gas station, those are things that are going to make it a little bit harder to sell. And another thing, sometimes you've added so much value to the home, right? But there's things that can have maybe a funky layout, or you added a really fancy pool, right? That you might like that, but that might not be for every single buyer that's out there. It might not be for someone that is maybe growing a family and they're looking to potentially have a child or something like that, and they don't want to have the danger of the pool there. Or some people also just want to have a bedroom on the first floor, or they want to have all their bedrooms on the second floor. Or the last thing I've heard is, man, this house doesn't have enough windows. Isn't that crazy? But that's the fact that we live in. Another thing that can cause it to take a little bit longer to sell is that the value that you built. Maybe it has so many features that it's not really attracting to some people, right? You can sometimes have so much value that it'll take a little bit longer. All I ask of you guys is to be a little bit patient when it comes to those houses that have the extra or unordinary features. End of the day, the house will sell. It's just going to take a little bit longer. As always, guys, comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Highroad.rodriguez.realestate here for all of your real estate needs. I sell real estate around the corner and around the globe.